At the minute, what's in trend, you'll see at the front, it's called the money piece. Hoda, I feel like you have a money piece at the front.
You have a money piece?
You know what it is. It's this nice bright bit at the front, okay? But this is not actually real, so I'm going to tell you, if you look in here, I actually just clipped it in to give her a brightness. Now look at the difference without it. You see how it's kind of a lot more dark?
Yeah.
So
you just added one?
Yeah, it's literally like, it's just a clip-in extension. This is glam seamless. All you do is take a piece. If you don't have money pieces, it's simply a case of clipping it in and you're away.
I think I knew that. A money piece is, who knew it was just a little piece.
And plus you don't have to worry about the chemicals and the rest of it.
Like,
my other little trick is, if I don't have a lot of time, is to get that front looking pretty around the face. So it frames the face and has a nice flow to it. So I'm going to open up the face a little bit. So I'm going to hit the front with just a little bit more of the 1 minute transformation. Pull this forward and basically just wrap the front back. So you're just setting the ends, tucking it in. All right, so you just hit it with the heat. And like I said, this is my trick for anyone that doesn't have a lot of time. What it does effectively is just makes, when you get a bit of volume here at the front, this is a nice trick for you guys at home, you get like this sexy piece. So even if the rest of your hair is super smooth, yes, look, you see, you're already into it. It gives you that like nice, bouncy, sexy feel. Now my tip for the front is to actually use a different technique. So to make it feel more cool and more chill, I'm actually going to do a flat iron wave, where I literally just push the iron around the hair and I'm going to move the hair in the shape of an S. So I'm still getting the same kind of technique, but it's just a little bit flatter and not quite as poofy. Just because in my experience, if I do the crimping around the face, it gets a little bit too much, you know? So I want it to feel cool. So just using the flattening iron wave around the front, around the face, always just feels a bit more relaxed. You still get the same technique, but without the volume.